Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain if you're trying to download bulk invoices or any invoices on your Seller Central, and if the page is showing blank, right, then it is not your account problem or from Amazon. And I don't know whether they have tested it on different browsers. So for example, I'm using Chrome browser. In Chrome browser it is not fetching all the reports, but I tried on Edge browser, it works perfectly. Okay, the same thing. Example, so I'm going to click on this hamburger menu and going to orders and then order reports. See, it's nothing has been fetched, but when I tried right on Edge browser, it is working fine. So same thing, orders and order reports. So now I can download bulk invoices. Okay, it's very simple. So here I'm going to give the exact dates. So date has been selected. Now I'm going to give request invoices. So here you can choose it. So including refund, if you want, you can download it. Okay, whatever, you can select it and then request invoice. So that's it, friends. Now just refresh it. Okay, it's in queue. It's created. It's in queue. I'm going to refresh because this download button should be enabled once the status shows completed. So once it's enabled, you can download it. I'm getting error report because I don't have any invoices for this September month. So if you have, right, definitely you will be having some data, so you can download it. So that's it, friends. Is the way you can download invoices from Seller Central. So try with the different browsers. Okay, if you see that page is blank, then just try different browsers like Firefox or a Microsoft Edge browser. Definitely it will work out. I don't know why it is not working in Google Chrome, but try this. Definitely this video will be very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put in the comments and feedbacks in my video forms. Thank you. Bye. Take care, friends.